Welcome to all students. In my fourth video lecture, I am going to start new topic, that is directions, planes and Miller indices. And these directions, planes and Miller indices, which is present in a crystalline solids. Then what is the directions? Directions gives us an idea about the or to locate the particular position of the particle or particular position of the objects which is present inside the crystal. See, in this diagram, this is the cubic structures and there is the some planes or sides of this cube is present. Then suppose to find out the particular face of this cube, how to find? By using some Cartesian coordinate system, that is two-dimensional or three-dimensional coordinate systems, and to describe this coordinate system to particular position of the objects or position of the particle and so on. In this diagram there are some faces and the corner. Suppose this is the A and this is the B, or this C, D, E, F and G, this is the corner of this cube, and to find out the particular position of the point, suppose to find out the position of B or to find out the position of A, it means your directions are described by giving the coordinates of the first whole number points, that is x, y, z or x, y, through which each of the directions passes this point, that is origin to their points, that is the your particle. Here is your particle which is located inside the crystal. See, the square brackets are used to indicate the direction of the crystalline solid or crystalline planes. See, in this diagram there is some directions are given. Suppose to find out the position of point A or to find out the direction of point A, there is the origin O and your directions which is present in this direction, means the arrow denotes the direction of the particular point. This is the OA and the directions written in a square bracket, that is this is the square bracket 110, means your 110, this is the actually planes. Here is your 110, means this is the actually x, y and z, means this is the x position, y position, z position. In x position along there is the one unit, means where is your x-axis? This is the x-axis, means your particle first present one unit. Next y, means where is y? This is the y, means the y is also 1 and z is 0, means your particular direction which is present in this way and the direction written in this way. There is no any comma inside this point. Similarly, the direction OB, where is the direction OB? The direction OB here. There is the x-axis will be 0, only y-axis is 1 and z-axis is also 0, means your directions which is present along y-axis. Similarly, to find out the direction at point D, at point D there is the 1 directions, means 1 coordinates, that is x, y and z. This x, y, z means along x-axis there is also 1 units, y-axis there is also 1 units, and z-axis also 1 units. Then these points, this is the origin to this, means this point represents the 1 1 planes, means OD, this is the direction of this particular point D. Similarly, in next diagram, here this is the origin, and to find out the point, the direction of point P means here, is it right? And this is the unit, that is along axis this point cuts at 3, and this is y, this is 1, means 3 1, this is the direction, and the direction is written in this bracket, in this way, is it right? Similarly, OA, to find out the OA direction, this is 1 1. That's why. Suppose there is another direction to draw inside the cubic structures. Suppose we draw the 1 bar 1 0, means this is the x along x-axis, this is y, and this is z. Along x-axis there is 1 bar. Bar means this is the negative axis, means negative x-axis. This is positive, this is also positive. Then we draw this 1 bar 1 0 plane inside this cubic structures, is it right? See, first we choose the origin. Where is your origin? Suppose this is along x-axis, 1 bar means this is negative, is it right? Suppose this is your origin, is it right? And this is positive x-axis, and this is negative x-axis, means this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. Then your particle goes negative x-axis, that is 1 units, means this is origin, and your particle goes to here, is it right? There is 1 unit. Then along y-axis there is also 1, means there, this, is it right? And z-axis is 0, there is no any units or particular unit point, that is 1 bar, means here negative x-axis, this is 1 bar, and positive 1, your direction is goes in this way, and this is your OB. OB is the direction of 1 bar 1 0 planes, is it right? This is very simple. Next, to find out the direction of 1 bar 1 bar 1, that is x, y, and z, x, y, and z. And to find out the direction of this plane along in these cubic structures, along x-axis 1 unit, along y-axis minus 1 unit, and along z-axis 1 unit. First we choose the origin, is it right? Where is your negative x-axis? Negative axis, y is negative. Where is your y? Y. Suppose this is the point, suppose this is choose, this is the origin, this is positive x-axis, and this is negative x-axis, is it right? This is positive and this is negative. Then first along x-axis, is it right? Along x-axis is 1 unit, means this is the x-axis, is it right? Because this is parallel, means this is x-axis 1, is it right? 1. Then negative 1 along y-axis, means where is your this is x, this is y, is it right? And along z-axis, means z, this is the z-axis, is it right? This is z-axis, is it right? Means this height is also parallel, this and this same, means this is the height, is it right? Then means this is origin, this is in the negative y-axis, This is positive x-axis and this is z-axis. Positive means this OA, this is the A point. This is A point, means OA represents the direction of this 1 bar 1 plane. Is it right? This is OA. This is the direction of this plane.